Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to build a company wiki template in Monday.com. This 2025 guide will show you how to create a centralized hub for all your company information and resources. First things first, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. This step is crucial because without an account, you won't be able to access all the tools and features Monday.com has to offer. Now that we've done that, let's jump into creating our first board. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on New. Then select Board. This will be the foundation of your wiki, where you'll add all the different categories and topics your team needs to know. Next up, we'll start populating this board with columns. Click the plus column button and select Text. Name your first column something like topic or category. The reason we do this is to give a clear structure to your wiki, making information easy to find for your team. The next step is to add items under these columns. These items represent the different topics or categories you want to cover in your wiki. Think about common questions or important areas in your company, like HR policies, project guidelines, or team roles. This helps us because it ensures that every aspect of your company is covered. With your topics in place, you're going to want to add a description column where you can provide detailed information about each topic. To do this, click plus column again and select long text. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When a team member clicks on a topic, they'll be able to see a detailed description, making your wiki a comprehensive resource hub. Now, let me explain why this matters. A well-structured wiki can save a lot of time and confusion. It provides a single source of truth where your team can find answers to their questions, reducing unnecessary back and forths. Once you're done adding all the necessary information, it's time to share your wiki with your team. Click the Share button at the top right corner and select who you want to share it with. You can also make it public for the entire company. And there you have it. You've just created a company wiki template in Monday.com. Remember, you can always add more topics or adjust the structure as your company evolves. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more practical guides to help you streamline your work processes. Until next time, happy organizing.